Good morning. Well, it is a cooler feel today. We've had a cold front, a weather front working its ways down towards the south, and it's still continuing its journey southwards at the moment. But the skies are clearing quite nicely, so it will be quite a bright autumnal day. There's always going to be the chance of just seeing a light shower, though, even as we head into the afternoon, and temperatures will be in the region of 15 Celsius. Now, it is going to be colder through the evening and overnight. We've got the clearer skies returning tonight, just a little bit of fair weather cloud around. So a dry night, but the temperatures dropping down to lows of around 2 or 3 Celsius. That's within the rural areas, so it'll be maybe just a ground frost developing into the early hours of tomorrow morning. The temperatures fluctuating a little bit over the next few days. They really are going back to where they should be for the time of year. And low pressure just bringing in some wetter weather over the weekend.